Let's go upstairs. Looks nice here. Imagine we live here, this big house. You know, 100 years from now. I mean, 100 years from now, yeah, or a long time ago. Yeah. A long time ago. This still the same. Didn't change. This is not new technology. I know, but those things probably weren't there. No, but the rocks. Those things are no. So the rocks. Yeesh. There's a bridge there. Look at this house. That house like that, right? But look at this house, even though it's like this nice. Oh, it stinks. But that house though, this one, really big. Big house, yeah. It goes up to here. Maybe that's right? Is it? Oh, can you go there? Oh yeah, we can cross there. I think I remember we saw that before, no? And yeah. Oh, the inside course nice. We see inside. There's a table. Kind of round and let it happen to be side stacked. Right. If we went back, it's longer, no? Yeah. They're gonna go here. Is it morning still? How are you asking me if it's on?
Hello, how are you?
How are you? Look at this house on your left side.